Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from... It's in this box. These are Ajinomoto Aji-no-men from Peru. This is Sabor Gallina Criolla. I wish I knew what Criolla meant. I don't know, but it looks like there's a picture. I don't see anything Creolish on it. Creole? That's an interesting thought. I don't think it's Creole in Peru. But it's 3 minutes with 500 mils of water. And what does it say? When do we put the sachet in? At the end. Okay. So, noodle block, dropping in the water, and giving it 1, 2, 3 minutes. So away we go. There's a little bit of leftover in there. I think maybe that ought to go in. So there we go. So how the heck are y'all? It's Wednesday. I'm beat. I've been having I'm really good usually at getting up early to get stuff done, but man, it's been a week. It's kind of, I don't know, just kind of stressful around here. Standard holiday junk. So, but yeah, I woke up today like at 6:45. I'm like, ugh, man, didn't get any time to do any walking around the place before everybody wakes up. It's like I woke up and then like 20 minutes later everybody else was up. Usually I wake up and maybe 3.5 hours later everybody else is up. So yeah. But tomorrow will be different. I think a big part of it has to do with the fact that, well, so here's the deal. My daughter has a birthday. What do we get? A big cake. My daughter won't eat it. My son won't eat it. I like cake. I know I shouldn't eat it, but I do. So I end up with like all this sugar in my system, and then it just puts me down like a big lead weight on my head in bed. So not, I think, tonight though. And it's dark and yucky looking outside. I don't think that's going to change today. It makes it really hard to get good pictures. I've got to take the bowls and put them way over there. I don't know if you can see the window from there. Yeah, see right in that little spot right next to the Christmas tree right over there? I put the bowls in that for the thumbnail shots for these videos, and it works pretty well. But as you can see in here, natural light just ain't happening because there's just not enough of it. But it's December 18th, and so we're about at the lowest amount of light day of the year. It should be within, by the time I do the next video, it's probably going to be almost dark outside. It's 3:10 right now, so 3:10 in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. A muggy, I don't know, probably just cold and wet outside right now. 10 seconds to go, and we are done. Here we go. Here's our bowl. It oddly, it does have a nice scent, I'll admit it, you know. Hey, let's try this. I'm going to try 500 mils of water, I made the noodles just how they are, but no seasoning, and see if I catch anything from it, like any flavor. I've never done this. I do kind of see a little bit of grease on top, which would make sense. Gluten-y water, I guess. Some wheat gluten. Not really all that exciting, but it does. There is a flavor. And now I've lost my scissors. Here they are. So let's see what this does. This should make a grand difference. The Gallina Gallina Criolla. Guess we'll see. It's dark. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, you can see that. Cool. Yeah, it's kind of dark. I'm wondering if it's like black pepper. Like black pepper chicken. Alright, our Ajinomoto Gallina Criolla is done. Yeah. A few little bits and pieces in there. Okay. Very savory. You know what? This might be like creamy chicken. Really haven't eaten much today. I could totally scarf this down. Now, I gotta make a note. So, somebody complained about how noodles are a little slightly chewier than your average instant. That's kind of nice. So this right now, I would say is a 3.5-star instant noodle. Now, in the last few reviews, because somebody complained, it's like, hey, you're the Ramen Raider. Why aren't you like giving the scores? I kind of forgot why that I really did that. I really wanted it just to be for the official post on the ramenraider.com, which there's apparently a lot of people that go to the YouTube. They go over to the YouTube and they don't know about the ramenraider.com. They just don't go. I don't really sit here and go, hey, go visit www.theramenraider.com all the time. You know, so you might just know of me on YouTube and on my channel. Well, this one I'm doing right now on December 18th. This one will post on YouTube, what's it going to be, January 12th? Something like that? Now, I'm like 110 days ahead on posting reviews. Alright? So, let's see, December 18th plus 110 days. That's almost, it's like 3.5 months. So let's see, December to January, February, March, and it's the 18th, so maybe April Fool's Day, maybe like April 1st. So it's like way out in spring. We haven't even started winter until like 2 days or 3 days from now, but that's when this will actually post on www.theramenraider.com. So now that's really kind of neither here nor there. But this week I've been kind of battling with this, because what I'll do is I'll just give out my score. I've kind of got a pondering process that I do when I do reviews and do scoring. So I'll like taste something, I'll stick it in my head, give it a score, and then during the time that I'm looking at it and like pondering it and all this stuff, I'll be like, well, is this one really that much better than this one? Is this one this much worse than this one? And then that initial score, this is a 3.5. I'm like mentally right now thinking, really? Yeah, those noodles are nice and chewy. Maybe it's more of a 3.75. See where I'm going with this? If I sit here and give you a score, it really limits where I can put something at. And I don't think that that's the best thing to do. The only thing I could do is give out my initial thoughts on a variety. And then maybe put in the thing, yeah, I originally said this, but I'm lowering the score, or I'm raising the score. But then you're going to be like, why are you doing that? And then I have to just explain this whole thing. Now, one thing that's clear about the internet, people don't want to read. They'll be like, I saw this and I saw this here. Why? You tell me, you go and explain it. And therein lies the rub. And I understand. I don't want to sit here and read a whole bunch of crap. You know, I don't want to explain a whole bunch of crap. So, but the deal is, I think I better stop. If I stop, it'll make that guy cranky again. And I totally understand that you just want to know, hey, what's the score of it? What I'll do is I'm not going to give you a 0 to 5 score. What I'll do is I'll tell you, wow, this is super good, or whoa, this is all right, or hey, this is freaking gross. You know, this I like. This is all right. Is it a 5-star? No. Is that fair? No? Yes? Maybe? Let me know. Because, I mean, I really want to let you guys know what I think about something, but I don't want to box myself in. You get where I'm going with this? If I box myself in with it, then I'm kind of stuck, and then I've got people questioning my whole reviewing thing, which I know a lot of people do already, and that's okay, you know. There we go. That came out nicely. I made eggs this morning. Whoa, Nelly. There you go. Oh, come on, come on. Miles is out there having he's howling. Must be playing a game. Oh, come on, get back in there. There's some egg. I'm going to call that one good. Wow, that yolk is really thin. Dang it. I like the runny yolk, but it can be kind of tricky too. Anyways, egg. Made some chicken the other day. I'll slap in here too. Just like that. Got some a little past its prime coriander, but it'll work. Or I mean cilantro. Some red pepper flake. But yeah, it really is a process of kind of pondering and getting to where I think something's right till I really want to lay a score on it. And that's just the way I am about things. I don't take this stuff lightly, although you might be like, dude, it's just instant noodles. Just say whether you like it or not and move on. But it's like, just how I am, it's how I be, so that's the way it is. So there. Anyways, let's listen to some weird music and let Rotato do its beautiful ballet of spinning a bowl around. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.